Let us consider one more question. Which of the following is not aromatic is asked. 4 options. Now, for a substance to be aromatic, it should be cyclic ring, planar, conjugation means alternate double single, double single, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, or lone pair sigma pi, pi sigma pi, pi sigma lone pair, conjugation. And in the ring, in conjugation, 4n plus 2, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 number, 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If lone pair also is a part of resonance, then it can be considered here 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If these things are followed, it comes under aromatic compound, and aromatic compound, the ring stability is very high, the properties are different, addition reaction is difficult, substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction is easy. Now, if we consider all the options one by one, here each carbon atom, since double bond is present, carbon atom is sp2, this carbon atom is sp2, since carbon-carbon double bond sp2, 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 since nitrogen has also formed one pi bond, pp parallel, sp2, means the 2 sigma bonds are formed by sp2, sp2, and sp2 hybridization give rise to, in ideal condition, in certain cases, in case to case it may change to certain extent, sp2 is inner plane, the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals inner plane, and make an angle of 120, 120, 120 in ideal case. If we follow that, if 2 sigma bonds are formed by sp2, the lone pair which is present on nitrogen will be present in third sp2, which will be outside the ring. This lone pair cannot be part of the ring, and therefore, although one lone pair is present on nitrogen in this is pyridine, in the ring, in conjugation, in various resonating forms, these pi bonds take part, but this lone pair does not take part, and therefore 6 electrons means it fits into 4n plus 2 pi electrons. For that formula, 4n plus 2, we should not consider this lone pair. This second option, again, this is the carbanion heterodyadic breaking. This lone pair can get shared here, and the moment this gets shared here, this pi gets transmitted here, giving rise to a resonance. Now, again, this will get shared here, and this gets transmitted here. So, these are the 3 resonating forms, and therefore, this electron pair should be considered in this formula. And again, 6 electrons means n equal to 1 gives 6 pi electrons, and sp2, 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 and since 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, and this is part of resonance. So, this is inner plane, ring, planar, conjugation, everything is followed here, and therefore, this is also an example of aromatic compound. Here in this case, pi bond, sigma bond, pi sigma pi. Here is a cation, carbocation. Out of 2 lone pairs on oxygen, 1 lone pair can get shared here. If that lone pair gets shared here, the resonating form which we get, let me write it here. And since 1 lone pair take part, the positive charge which was present here, now it gets transmitted to this oxygen. One heterolytic breaking. So, means 1 lone pair is part of the conjugation, because this lone pair gets shared with this empty orbital sp2 carbon. Since all are sp2 and one initially it is sp3, and when it shades a pair it becomes sp2. So in the conjugation, in the various resonating forms are present 3 electron pairs, means 6 electrons. It fits into that 4n plus 2 pi electrons and all other things, and therefore this one is also an example of aromatic ring. Even various other resonating forms can be shown. The electron pair which is present here can get shared here, but our point is limited whether it is aromatic or not. That point of view, lone pair of electrons out of two, one lone pair of electrons on oxygen and empty orbital of carbon gets shared here, and therefore this also fits into the conditions which are required for aromatic compound. What about this? There is a nitrogen present here, pi bond sigma pi, sigma sigma, again sigma. Here carbon is sp3 hybridized. So the pi bond cannot get shifted here, or even lone pair which is present on nitrogen cannot get transmitted here. So ring as a whole, the conjugation and various resonating forms cannot be shown here, and therefore in the formula 4n plus 2 we cannot consider this lone pair as part of that formula, because it is not part of any of the resonating forms. If it is not part of any of the resonating forms, no conjugation, and therefore 4n plus 2, n equal to 0 makes 2 electrons, n equal to 1 should give 6 electrons. Here there are 4 electrons, therefore this does not fit into aromatic formula. Therefore our answer is this: although lone pair is present, it cannot be shared here because this is saturated. It cannot be shared here. So partial conjugation is there, complete conjugation is not present, and 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring, the formula, this lone pair cannot be considered as part of that formula. Therefore this is our answer. This is not aromatic.